Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are in a certain state, and Mr. Camp's 8th grade class, which has 26 students in it, was surveyed. And 34.6% of the class reported that they had at least 2 siblings. The average 8th grade class in the state is 26 students, just like Mr. Camp's class. And we are told that the students in his class are representative students in the entire state. There's also 1,800 8th grade classes in the state. So if there's 1,800 classes and 26 students per class, if we multiply these two, you get 1,800 times 26 is 48,600 students in the state. We are looking to estimate the number of 8th graders in the class who have fewer than 2 siblings. So if 34.6% have at least 2 siblings, 100% minus 34.6%, right? So this is the rest, which is 65.4%, have fewer than 2 siblings, right? If you don't have at least 2, you have fewer than 2. And so we're looking for what is 65.4% of 48,600. So what is a percent? Well, it's a number out of 100. So we have 65.4 over 100 times 48,600. If you plug this into your calculator, you'll get that this is equal to 30,607.2. Which of the following is closest to this? Well, it's pretty obviously going to be very close to C and very far away from everything else. So C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.